So, we are starting our portage to the lake. Just took the canoe, and now we are starting our portage, boss and I. He's clipped onto me, and with my life jacket on, and he's got his life jacket too, so don't worry. And we are going canoeing. Come on, boss. First time this season. It's May 16th. And I'm about to put in canoeing for the first time this season on Lake Simcoe, South Bay. We are going to the Pefferlaw River, and Boss is joining me today. Boss! Wait, now he's going to explore. What do you can see? What do you see? Anything good? Not too windy today, and it looks like the sun is perfect. So we're gonna collect Boss, get the boat in the water, and see how this turns out. Boss, come here. We're floating. Boss and I are floating from the shoreline. We just pushed off and start making our journey. See if he can keep steady, hopefully. So we are paddling away. Boss is leaning to one side for some reason, so I'm kind of having to lean to the other. It's okay for now. Hopefully he's okay, comfortable. Can't tell me, but he seems okay. And we're just gonna follow the very shallow shoreline all the way to the Pefferlaw River, going around this bed right here. So it's gonna take a while, but at least if we fall in, we can stand up. Well, I can stand up and help Boss out. So I'm gonna keep paddling. I can't record while I'm paddling, unfortunately, because I forgot my GoPro at home, the charger, and the batteries. So that's not gonna work. Anyways, back to paddling. We're getting closer to that point. We came from there, somewhere over there. So we're making our distance. We're making distance, about a kilometer or so. Let's keep it going. So that's where we just came from, and that's where we're headed, around that. We haven't finally got there, but we've made a lot of progress. So we have made it around that bend right there, see? And we have to cross this little bay area right here and then make south, going south on the other side of those trees. So just enjoying the view, enjoying the time. No boats around me, and the water is super calm. The sun, as you can see, is hidden by the clouds. So let's see how I look on camera. Oh, blocking the camera. Great, look at that, beautiful lighting. About halfway. We have made it to the Douglas Point. Douglas Point. Brand new homes going up on Douglas Point. Boss, you good? Boss is good. We came from behind that, so we made a long way so far. And now we're gonna go down the Douglas Point Strait. That's what I'm calling it, the Douglas Point Strait. So now we're on the the Douglas Point Strait, and we are heading to the Douglas Point Conservation Area, just at the, I would say, south end of Lake Simcoe. So, north, south, and we just came from the other side of Douglas Point, which is on the other side of all these homes. Okay, keep going. If you know about Lake Simcoe, it can be notoriously choppy and very busy lake. Well, today it almost feels like I have the lake to myself. There are lots of boats on, but not as much as usual. Usually it's like you can't even drive. There's like traffic jams and stuff all over the lake. But the beauty part about it right now is we're going into a little bay point area, and the waves are in my favor this time. So I haven't had to paddle at all since I've started from the point where that house is, and now I'm here. So boss is sleepy in the water. Absolute perfect. Right here, it's like maybe 50 inches, maybe 50 inches. So it's like 4 feet or 5 feet, whatever. So in the strait, Douglas Point Conservation Area. There's the point, and we're just on the strait going down south. The water is calm, the weather is beautiful, boss is relaxed, he's positioned beautifully, he's learning to stay centered in the boat, which is amazing. That means he's getting comfortable with it. And actually, I do see where the head of the Pefferlaw River does start, right where those rocks are. I don't know if you guys can see that. There the boat is right there, and then those rocks just far in the distance is the start of the Pefferlaw River. Boss and I just stumbled upon this old cabin at the end of Lake Simcoe, and this is a little retreat for all the birds and stuff. We made it to the south end of the shore at the Douglas Point Conservation Area, everybody, which is just a marshy bog. The water here is about knee deep, not deeper, and yeah. And boss is tipping us. Boss is tipping us. All right, boss, come on, get your act together. Okay, now I'm gonna go get my act together, and we're gonna keep close to the shoreline. And I know there's a beach up ahead, so we're gonna stop off at the beach where boss can finally stretch his legs, pee, enjoy. He's been a good boy. He's been sitting there now for 2 hours, 3 hours. So he's killing it. He is killing it. Oh, scratch. Oh, maybe some water in the ear or something like that. Alright. Anyways, I'll put the phone away before you tip. Douglas Point. Douglas, made it to Douglas Point conservation area on the national parks. There's a cop right there. Anyways, Boss and I are gonna go explore the shoreline. Woohoo! We're now entering the Pefferlaw Inlet into the Pefferlaw River. Yeah. So yeah. We are at the Pefferlaw Inlet and we can't go over 10 kilometers an hour, so I'll try to keep it under that. Check out this next boat coming out. Don't flip out. As a kid, I remember coming down these inlets every weekend, going boating. All sorts of different boats, but never a canoe. It's the first time I'm on this body of water with a canoe. Not Lake Simcoe. I did that last year to Georgiana Island from where I started today. But this is the longest distance I've done on Simcoe. So yeah, from Woodfield Drive in Pefferlaw to the Pefferlaw River on Highway 48. Bossy. It's okay. Sit down. So, we're ending it here at the Highway 48 bridge in Pefferlaw. Yeah, we didn't make it to downtown Pefferlaw. See the sign? Downtown Pefferlaw, 3 kilometers. So, we didn't make it, Boss and I. But that's alright. We did 5 hours in the canoe from Woodfield Drive to the docks here.